Make just a little video about this. I'm doing my headlights, so I wanted to make just a little video. I just cleaned the driver's side, but I haven't done anything on the passenger side, so that's it. Before I cleaned it, that's just the cleaner, but it already looks real nice. But that's just the oxidizer to clean off all the oxidation on it. So yeah, as soon as I get done, I'll go back and I'll do the other part of me sanding it. So I just got done finished using the sanding disc, and it looks okay. I guess my headlights weren't as bad as I thought they were, but you know, you need to scratch it up to have the stuff adhere to it. So yeah, so far so good, but it's taken a lot longer than I thought. So yeah, when I'm finished, I'll give a recap. All right, thanks. Well, this is the one side. I finished the one side. It's been sitting for about 30 minutes, 30 minutes, and it really looks beautiful. So apparently I did a pretty good job, and the stuff that I use works real good. So very happy. We'll see. I'm waiting for the wind lens to dry on the passenger side so I can put the coating on it. But man, that looks real good. All right. So wanted you guys to see the headlights, how good they came out. Oh man, they really did come out real good. Very happy with the way they came out. Just, they really do look brand new. So that stuff is real good. I mean, it did take some time. Yeah, the steps aren't really that hard. Clean it, sand it, and then put the clear coat on it. So yeah, but I'm really happy with the way it came out. A couple of things I'd like to say is I had you know, it has 3 steps, and so I did one headlight at a time. I mean, you could do both at the same time, but I did it one at a time, and for each step I used a clean pair of gloves. So I went through 6 pairs of gloves. But you know, like I said, if you guys want to do both at the same time, that's good. But I chose not to. I chose to do one at a time. So anyways, there you go. I do gotta say, they actually talk about the cleaner, and I had some on my glove, and I don't know if you could see it, but it's right here. And well, I tried to clean it off, and I got another spot right here, and you can't really see it, or maybe you can, but I'm in the sun. But anyways, yeah, so I touched it, and I tried to get it off, and I can't, but my hood is really messed up anyways. The clear coat is gone. So that little smudge, not a big deal. But okay, but real happy with the way they came out, and thanks for watching.